My name is Bruce Dudley. I'm the sales manager at SemsoTec. I'd like to present our CAN FD monitor. The sunlight readable monitor was developed specifically for visualizing CAN FD and CAN signals in mobile testing applications. The display provides the driver with information and alarms regarding the state of selected signals which have been user configured using the Windows 10 based configuration tool. Operation of the monitor and the configuration tool have been designed to be simple and user-friendly. The main connector is for the 12-volt power supply and the two CAN signals. The monitor has a micro USB connection for transferring the configuration files from the PC. The monitor is operated using 5 buttons on the right-hand side of the body. The top 2 are for moving to the next page or the previous page. The middle button is screen on and off, and the bottom 2 buttons are for manually adjusting the brightness with plus and minus. The brightness is also automatically adjusted depending on the ambient light conditions. The monitor has a front-mounted LED and audible beep signal for indicating conditions and alarms. The rear of the monitor has 2 M4 internal threads and a 1/4 inch UNC camera style thread for mounting the monitor. Let's now go back to the laboratory to see the configuration tool. The Windows 10 configuration tool allows the selected CAN signals to be shown on up to 6 screen pages. Using the button Add Folder, the available CAN network configurations are added. By selecting a CAN network configuration, the content of the ARXML AutoSAR 4.3 or DBC file is loaded and the available CAN messages are displayed. Following subsequent selection of a CAN message, the contained CAN signals are shown. The screen can then be configured, starting by allocating signals to cells using drag and drop. In this part of the screen, the CAN signal parameters for the selected cell are shown for checking. The signal configurator is split into 3 sections. The editor section for naming the cell label and shown cell value. The monitor reactions to the cell values are shown here. In this section, the CAN port for monitoring is selected. The threshold alarm value for numerical signals is set here. The following signal reaction possibilities are the same for numerical, enum and bit field signals. Changing the cell background color, black, green, yellow, red. Switch the display on from the sleep mode, switching the LED on the front of the monitor with the cell background color, an acoustic signal, defining an alternative value description. You can save the configuration by clicking Save. If you need to alter the configuration or want to transfer the configuration to another monitor, you can reload from the PC without repeating the configuration process. The user-specific configuration is now complete and can be transferred to the monitor via the USB connection. First, make sure that the USB cable is connected between the PC and the monitor. The configuration can then be transferred to the monitor by clicking Upload in the configuration tool. The advantage of the system, meaning the monitor and the configuration tool, is the ability to show conditions and alarms without disturbing the driver. We've set up a simulation to show the possibilities for alarms, which include the LED on the front of the monitor, an acoustic signal, and waking the monitor up from the sleep mode. I'll start the simulation from the PC. We saw the red LED, we heard the acoustic signal, and the monitor was woken from the sleep mode. Thank you for your interest. Please contact us for further information.